Hello everyone, today I am showing you USB drive settings. How to make a driver for recovery. Creating a Windows recovery drive is a smart way to prepare for troubleshooting or restoring your PC if something goes wrong. Here's a step-by-step guide for Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need: a USB flash drive with at least 16 GB of space, 32 GB recommended. A working Windows PC. Note: creating a recovery drive will erase all data on the USB drive. Back up anything important first. How to create a Windows recovery drive. 1. Configure the USB drive. Use a USB to connect your flash drive to your computer. 2. The recovery drive tool is now open. Creating a recovery drive can be accessed by pressing Windows key +S. To launch the recovery media creator, select the corresponding result. 3. Activate system files. Recommended but not required. Check the box that says Backup system files to the recovery drive in the recovery drive window. Select Next. 4. Choose a USB drive. Windows will look for USB drives and display a list of them. Next, select the appropriate USB drive. 5. Establish the drive. There will be a warning that the USB drive will lose everything. To begin, click Create. Depending on your system and USB speed, this may take 10 to 30 minutes. 6. You can use the recovery drive to boot your computer when Windows won't start. Access Startup, Repair System Restore Command Prompt and System Image Recovery, and reinstall Windows if you backed up system files. Pro tip: label your USB drive as Windows recovery drive for clarity. Store it in a safe, accessible location. Update the recovery drive if you upgrade to a major new version of Windows. That's it. ZTech 1579